This video tutorial shows how to create your EndNote reference library. To begin, open the EndNote application. Click on Create a new library. Give your library a name. Click on Save. You can now start to add references to your EndNote library. It's very important to make a backup copy of your library at regular intervals. To do this, use the File menu. Click on Save a copy. Click on Save. For more information about how to use EndNote, see the Library EndNote Guide. Click on the EndNote 20 tab. Here you may view or download the Library Training Guide for EndNote 20. This covers all the basics from bringing references into EndNote Library to creating a bibliography.